Hello, my dear students. I know that you all are safe at your home. Don't forget to follow the instructions given by the government to fight against COVID-19. Whenever you go outside, don't forget to use mask. Then now I am here to revise the poem Keeping Quiet. The lesson you have already learned. I know that all my students are very good in your studies. Then let's see the important points of this lesson, of this poem. Fayaz, can you say who has written this poem? Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda was a renowned poet, politician and diplomat. Through this poem, he talks about the necessity of introspection and creating a mutual understanding each other. In the beginning of the poem, the poet urges his readers to keep still for a while till he counts 12. Then according to him, that moment will be really an unusual experience for all of us. That means all the people on the earth should keep silent during this time. It would really an unusual experience for all of us. Why does the poet say like this? For introspection. During that time, then we should introspect ourselves. Then in this poem, the poet especially mentions the people who exploit nature. The people who exploit nature keep still for a while and introspect themselves. Why does he say? They must know the consequences of their actions. They must remember, they must understand the consequences of their actions. Then again at the end of the poet uses the word total inactivity. The poet urges his readers not to confuse the state of keeping quiet with total inactivity. By presenting the word total inactivity, the poet does not mean death. His intention is to foster our life through introspection. His intention is to foster our life through introspection. These are the important points we have seen in this poem. Listen, Pablo Neruda, renowned poet and politician. Then in this poem, through this poem, he talks about the necessity of quiet introspection and mutual understanding each other. That means introspection and retrospection. In the beginning, the poet urges his readers to keep still for a while till he counts up to 12. Then why does the poet use the number 12? It indicates either time or months in a year. Then during that time, all the people on the earth should keep silent. Then according to him, it would really an unusual experience for all of us. Especially the people who exploit nature. They must stop for a while and they should introspect themselves. Then only they must understand, they must remember about the consequences of their actions. The poet urges his readers not to confuse the state of keeping quiet with the total inactivity. At the end of the poet uses the word total inactivity. It does not mean death. Actually, his intention is to foster our life through introspection. Then in between, if we introspect, we can understand our mistake and correct it easily. Is it right? Then introspection is essential. What we learned? Introspection is essential. Then for example, here I have completed one poem and 2 lessons. I think all of you already studied. Then in this time, an introspection is essential. Then during introspection, you can understand. Maybe a few of you studied 2 lessons. Then if you introspect, you can understand. So it is very easy to move forward by correcting our mistakes. Is it right? Okay. Then now let's discuss the important poetic devices already used in the poem. Poetic devices you already studied in lower classes. Then here we have seen alliteration. For example, we will, we would. What do you mean by alliteration? The repetition of same consonant sound that we have seen in the poem. Next one, repetition. Repetition means repeat the same word in the same line. Personification also we can see. For example, earth can teach us. What do you mean by personification? Attribution of a human characteristics to something non-human. Attribution of human characteristics to something non-human. Here, for example, earth can teach us. Earth is non-human. Attribution of human characteristics to something non-human. Earth can teach us. Earth is non-human. So here we can see the poetic device personification. Now let's see the important questions from this poem. Listen. Here I have written, for the examination point of view, you will get one extract. That question carries 4 marks. Then here I have written one stanza from your poem, Keeping Quiet. The same I have given in your notebook. But the question based on this is different. The same question I have given in your notebook, I have written here, but the questions are totally different. That means you are going to attempt board examination. Listen to the question. It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Listen to the first question. Name the poem and poet. You know Keeping Quiet. You only studied one poem, Keeping Quiet. But after covering 6 or 7, not easy to answer it. Poet Pablo Neruda. Second one, what is the exotic moment the poet wishes for? The poet wishes the exotic moment. That means the keeps to all the people on the earth should be keep silent forever. Silent till he counts 12. That exotic moment. Next one, name the poetic device used in second line. Listen. Without rush, without engines. Same word is repeated in the same line, so we can say the poetic device repetition is used here. Then the next one, what does the word sudden strangeness mean? Sudden strangeness here means during that particular time all the people on the earth should be keep silent. Then it will really a sudden strangeness for all of us. Then you can understand the consequences of our action. Then that is the poet mentions here. The next one, again you will get 2 more questions from poem, either poem or from prose. Listen, here I have written, what will counting up to 12 and keeping quiet help us to achieve? Then during this time, we will get the time to introspect ourselves and correct our mistakes. By including this point, you should write. By highlighting this point, you should write the answer. Last one, how might a huge silence interrupt the sadness of men? Then here in the poem, we have seen people are exploiting nature in different ways. They are always busy, they have no time, they are busy with their works. The poet urges us to keep still for a while for introspection. For what? They must understand and remember the consequences of their action. Then in that way, they can remove the sadness from their life. That is the most important point for that question. Then I think all of you understand this poem. All of you read the poem several times. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you all.